In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix OneDrive error. If OneDrive is acting up, not syncing properly, or showing a general error. A quick restart of the app is often one of the simplest and most effective fixes. This method helps refresh the OneDrive process without requiring any advanced troubleshooting, and it only takes a moment to do. To begin, look at the taskbar on your computer and find the OneDrive cloud icon. This is usually located near the clock in the bottom right corner of the screen. If you don't see it right away, you may need to click the small arrow that shows hidden icons. Once you find the OneDrive cloud icon, click on it to open the OneDrive panel. After that, click the settings icon. This is typically shown as a small gear symbol within the OneDrive window. Opening the settings menu gives you access to a few important options for managing the app, including the option we need for this fix. From the menu, select Quit OneDrive. When you do this, the OneDrive application will completely close. Don't worry, this does not delete your files or remove your account. It simply shuts the app down so it can stop any stuck background activity that might be causing the error. In many cases, OneDrive issues happen because the app is frozen, partially disconnected, or caught in a sync loop, and quitting it helps clear that temporary problem. Once OneDrive has closed, go back to the taskbar and click the OneDrive cloud icon again. This will launch the app again and allow it to restart fresh. After reopening, give it a few seconds to load and reconnect. In many cases, the error should clear on its own once the application restarts normally. As a quick tip, after reopening OneDrive, it's a good idea to watch the icon for a moment. If the cloud icon returns to its normal appearance and syncing resumes, that usually means the problem has been resolved. If the icon still shows an error, you may need additional troubleshooting afterward, but restarting the app is always a smart first step because it's fast, safe, and easy. That's it. By closing and reopening OneDrive from the taskbar, you can often fix common OneDrive errors in just a few clicks.